Hi and welcome to this webinar. My name is Stian Landemangar and I'm the Business Development Manager responsible for stationary energy storage in PSV Power and Automation. I focus on grid scale and C&I applications which are normally implemented for ancillary services for the electrical power grid, but could also be used for implementation and optimization of renewables, energy arbitrage, peak shaving and other industrial applications.
And I'm Kjetil Ripa, Business Development Manager for Energy Control. I am responsible for our controls and software endeavors here in PSW. My key focus areas for our company is to shape the future services that keep our products relevant throughout their life cycle in a rapidly changing environment, working closely with our customers, partners, and other key stakeholders.
Throughout this webinar, we will take a closer look into our portfolio of stationary energy storage solutions, the services we are offering our customers, problems we solve with our solutions, and our views on the future demand for stationary energy storage solutions.
In the end, we will wrap up this webinar with a short Q&A where we answer any questions you might have right here in the chat room.
Stationary energy solutions refers to battery energy storage systems, or BESS, designed for utility scale or commercial and industrial C&I applications. These are mass-produced products aimed at enhancing the reliability, efficiency and sustainability of modern energy grids, which is particularly important as the world increasingly adopts renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power. C&I systems are typically deployed at factories, warehouses and other non-residential facilities. They help businesses manage energy costs, improve power reliability and support their sustainability goals. At PSW, we deliver a wide range of products within these segments. Our portfolio includes both cabinet and container-based solutions tailored to meet varying energy storage needs. We provide multiple models depending on the required installed energy capacity, whether it's a 1 hour, 2 hour or 4 hour system. We offer both defined product scopes and full turnkey EPC solutions. Currently, we are expanding our presence across Europe, collaborating with local partners in each country to deliver turnkey solutions tailored to our clients' needs. This approach also provides us with local knowledge in each country's rules and regulations, as well as local presence to support maintenance throughout the product's lifetime. Our strategy is also to build strong partnerships with key suppliers to ensure effective collaboration and maintain a competitive edge in the market. When selecting suppliers, we take a holistic approach, evaluating not only product quality and performance, but also environmental impact, safety, costs. As our battery supplier, we have selected CATL, recognized as the world's leading battery manufacturer. CATL offers top-tier products with a proven track record, superior cycling performance, and well-documented environmental credentials. Our strong relationships with CATL also enables us to secure competitive pricing. For inverters, we have selected VS Tech as our primary supplier, complemented by Danfoss and several other reputable European manufacturers. We follow a clear strategy of sourcing inverters exclusively from European suppliers to ensure the highest standards of quality and to address cybersecurity concerns. In addition, we offer transformers and complete substations when required, also from top-tier European manufacturers to guarantee reliability and performance.
In addition to delivering advanced hardware solutions, in PSW, we also manufacture the control system and develop our own software, right here in our facilities in Bergen. With dedicated teams of automation engineers and software developers, we have full control over functionality, security, and integration. A part of this product scope is our energy management system. The EMS intelligently coordinates energy production, storage, and consumption. It is designed for dynamic environments, enables automated peak shaving, predictive load management, and smart EV charging, while maximizing system efficiency and grid stability. Whether managing microgrids, integration of solar and BESS, or participating in energy markets, our EMS uses local real-time information and cloud-based data to optimize every decision, ensuring reliability, flexibility, and the best possible return on your investment.
To illustrate how our systems are configured and implemented, we can have a look at one of our operational projects. This project was delivered for a local utility company in Uddevalla in Sweden. We supplied a 5 megawatt, 5 megawatt hour, 1 hour BESS solution based on cabinets, which also included a 12 kilovolt substation and an energy management system. The scope of delivery for this project covered product supply, installation, as well as testing and verification.
Here, the EMS implements a service strategy focusing on maximizing both operational efficiency and financial return. This includes peak shaving to reduce grid tariffs or avoiding overloads, ancillary services to support the broader power system, and energy arbitration. All of this done without compromising battery thresholds or limitations. What we see is that such multi-service optimization will be key to maintaining battery longevity and optimal return on your BESS investment for the coming years. With future opportunities or regulatory changes that can occur, in-house software development equips us to continuously keep our customers' assets relevant. So, when new technological enhancements or new revenue opportunities arise, we are dedicated to bringing our customers along for the ride.
In Europe, a rapid growth of solar and wind power has led to periods of negative electricity prices, especially during times of high renewable production and low demand. For producers, this creates a challenge. Instead of earning revenue, they may face costs for injecting power into the grid. These price dips reduce profitability and make it harder to plan long-term investments in renewable energy. In addition, variable renewable producers are exposed to imbalanced prices when their actual production deviates from forecasts. Since solar and wind generation is weather dependent and less predictable, these deviations are common and can result in significant financial penalties. Flexible solutions like energy storage are becoming essential to mitigate both price volatility and imbalance risks, helping producers stabilize income and improve the overall return on investment.
A behind-the-meter setup with a BESS solution offers attractive opportunities for solar and wind producers facing volatility and imbalance risks. By installing energy storage on the producer's site, excess energy can be stored instead of being injected into the grid during periods of low or negative prices. This enables solar firming, smoothing out intermittent generation to provide more predictable output. In such setups, a power purchase agreement can be established between the renewable producer and the BESS owner, allowing the storage asset to absorb surplus power and later release it when the market prices are higher. Additionally, during hours when the solar plant is not producing, the BESS can participate in ancillary services, further increasing value creation. This model creates a win-win scenario: improved grid stability, reduced curtailment, and better financial returns for both parts. Of course, the same synergies can also be created with the same owner of both renewable production and BESS.
The electrification of industry in Europe is gaining momentum, but many companies are held back by limited grid capacity and long waiting times for new expanded connections, in some cases stretching over several years. This creates a major bottleneck, not only driving up costs through peak tariffs and energy price volatility, but also slowing down the transition away from fossil fuels. In response, grid operators increasingly offer conditional grid connection agreements, allowing limited or conditional access to the grid, often requiring the customer to manage their load actively. BESS system offers a practical and flexible solution in such cases. By enabling peak shaving and load shifting, storing energy during low demand hours and using it during high load periods, a BESS can help companies operate within grid constraints while reducing the need for costly upgrades. It also provides backup power during outages and opens up participation in balancing markets and grid services. BESS makes industrial electrification both technically viable and economically sustainable, even in areas with limited grid availability.
Modern energy management systems combined with advanced software solutions unlock a wide range of capabilities that are essential for maximizing the value of BESS, both in renewable production and industrial electrification contexts. These platforms enable real-time monitoring and intelligent control of energy flows, allowing for automated peak shaving, load shifting, and solar firming based on dynamic market signals or internal demand. An EMS can prioritize when and how to charge or discharge, whether to optimize self-consumption, reduce grid stress, or capture value in spot, ancillary, or local flexible markets. It can also coordinate with production forecasts, grid constraints, and conditional connection agreements to ensure operations remain compliant and efficient. In addition, EMS software provides data-driven insights for operators, including forecasting tools, performance analytics, and economic optimization models, supporting better decision-making and strategic planning. So in short, a modern EMS turns the battery from a static asset into an intelligent revenue-generating part of the energy ecosystem.
As we look to the future, we expect BESS solutions to play an increasingly critical role ensuring the grid stability and supporting the energy transition. With the expected growth in renewable energy in the energy mix, we believe that BESS will play a crucial role in balancing the grid and addressing the challenges posed by non-dispatchable, weather-dependent power sources. High levels of renewable integration can significantly reduce system inertia and increase the risk of instability. This can, in worst-case scenarios, lead to critical incidents such as the one observed in Spain and Portugal in the end of April. By having BESS systems connected to the grid and performing ancillary services, such instabilities can be reduced or even removed. That's why the nature of BESS solutions fits very well with renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. As renewable energy penetration continues to grow, we anticipate an increase in co-location projects driven by the synergies already discussed. We also expect to see a rise in microgrids and island mode operation requirements, enabling systems to operate independently and enhancing system redundancy. Additionally, BESS are likely to be integrated into a broader range of projects and into new segments moving forward. This will result in new and higher revenue for already installed infrastructure in several segments. In terms of battery technology, we see a trend of increasing energy density and also the focus of the BESS services shift from power to an energy-oriented view. This will continue to push the development of energy density in the technology even further.
Going forward, it is commonly recognized that batteries will serve as a crucial part of our energy systems. With this, new business models and incentives will incentivize investments. Data insights and data analytics will drive new technological enhancements that will further drive development of a wider range of utilization for batteries in all levels of the energy system. System autonomy and system resilience will be key words for the short-coming future. We in PSW have identified early that just being a hardware supplier will not meet the future demand and have invested heavily in our software development and control system endeavors. We take full control over the OT and IT layers of our system scope, and we serve as a technology provider, energy solution architect, and system integrator to help our customers through their energy transition needs.
Thank you all for joining us. We hope you find the insights valuable and that the information sparked new ideas around the evolving role of BESS solutions and their integration with renewable energy and the grid.
We know that as a technology provider, we don't see every energy challenge our customers are facing. But by leveraging today's and tomorrow's technological advancements, we believe we can solve even the most complex problems together. Our products and our services are built to evolve, and we invite you to reach out and explore how we can help your specific needs, both now and into the future.
If you have any follow-up questions, please use the chat where we will try to reply to all of you. If you want to reach out to us, please do so according to the information on the screen. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and thank you again for joining us today.